Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe Audition CC 2023. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable random colors in the multi-track and have it so all of your track colors are the same default green color. By default, when you are in the multi-track editor of Adobe Audition, whenever you create a new track, so if I just drag an audio clip from the Files bin onto the multi-track, it's going to create a new track and it's going to create a random color. The same as if you copy a track, so if I press the Option or Alt and just make a copy of this track, you see here the color is going to randomize for each new track. And when you open a clip of audio on the multi-track into the Waveform editor by just double clicking on it, the color that you see in the Waveform editor is going to be the same as the track color. So if I click on the yellow, it's going to be yellow in the Waveform. Lime green in the multi-track, lime green in the Waveform. So what if you don't like the randomized colors and you want all of your clips when you double click it from the multi-track to open up in the Waveform editor in this default green color? To turn off the randomized colors whenever a new track is created in the multi-track, just go up to the top menu, click on Audition, Settings, and then select Multi-Track. Scroll down to this setting where you see Randomize Track Color, just uncheck and click OK. And now any new tracks that are created in the multi-track is going to remain that default green. You can just double click on any one to open it up in the Waveform editor. I'll tap 0 to jump back into the multi-track. So that is how to disable Randomize Track Color in Adobe Audition CC 2023. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.